Singer Linda Ronstadt was the most popular female rock star of the 1970s. She sold 100 million records and performed in front of sold-out arenas. But as a new documentary shows, she could and did sing almost any type of music you can name. Our critic reviews Linda Ronstadt, The Sound of My Voice.
Linda Ronstadt is now 73 years old and suffering from Parkinson's disease. She hasn't been able to sing for almost 10 years. But for almost 40 years, she entertained the world with her immense talent, magnificent voice, and gracious personality. In this film about her life and music, all of which is told in her own words and those of her friends and colleagues, is far better than most documentaries of this kind. It's beautifully edited and features lots of her great singing.
Baby, you're no good.
Linda was the queen. She was like what Beyonce is now.
Linda didn't write songs, but she turned other people's writing into big hits.
We didn't have much success with Desperado, and then Linda made it into a classic.
Desperado, why don't you come to your senses?
What I did was different from other singers. They did a whole lot of different kinds of material.
From country
And my heart fell at your feet.
to standards
How did that romance
to Gilbert and Sullivan
hold monsters?
and even mariachi.
It's the largest selling Spanish language album in the history of the industry. That's the whole Linda Ronstadt story right there in a nutshell. Linda deciding she wants to do something. The record company telling her she can't. She goes ahead and does it anyway.
And she loved to collaborate.
Perhaps he'll weep for me.
That may be all I need to know.
There's just no one on the planet that ever had or ever will have a voice like Linda's.
When will I be loved?
Terry Hunter, Hawaii News Now.